Hey guys, I'm Jesse Howard, and I'm going back to teaching you how to use nunchucks. A few misconceptions I want to clear up. Yes, I am young, I'm 14, but I have been practicing and using nunchucks for a couple years now, around 4. So I do know what I'm doing, so don't be afraid like, he's a kid, I don't want to listen to him. Also, just be safe with them. The nunchucks I'm using are pretty dangerous. I suggest using starter nunchucks that are light, less heavy, particularly like these. These are lighter, you know, you're not going to get as hurt as you are with these nunchucks, okay? But today, we're working on how to do an overhand pass, okay? It's pretty simple. When you're doing the figure 8 that I taught you in the first video, you want to eventually, when you get somewhere like right here, okay, you want to start spinning them up, okay? When you're spinning them up, you're going to bring them close to your head. Try not to hit your head. Go slow with this, okay? Sling them over your head and see when it gets right here, you're going to want it to hit right around there to where it wraps into your armpit. And you're going to grab with this hand, with your left hand, so you sling it over and you grab the metal bar that I taught you how to hold in the first video. You grab it there, then you just let go and spin again. There. Just do that for a while. Do it slow. Okay, you don't want your head to get hit here. Okay? It's very slow process at first, but once you get a hold of it, eventually you just do this, but go slow. I'm urging this because I don't want anyone to get hurt, okay? And let me see. In my next video, I guess I'm going to be teaching the backwards figure 8s, what I call it. Okay? Okay? Thank you.